Hi YouTube, it's me, NEESYRAYCHELLE. I am back and I'm gonna try not to leave again. So today I want to just do a simple full face tutorial, and I want to show how you're supposed to use this white color inside your palette. Now, as a black woman, we look at this color and say, yeah, I'm never going to use that. And I was that person. I was like, yeah, nah, that's not going to work. I'm too dark for that. And I'm not dark, but you know, I just kind of felt like that's not my color. But y'all, this color gives you, can you see that? It gives you this iridescent glow, and it doesn't look white like how it does in the palette. Like, it really gives you this different kind of glowy look. Oh, you can see it on my wrist. So today I will be showing y'all what to do with it, what all places on my face I put it, and how much of it I use. So first I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lip balm on. I am using the BHCosmetics. This is called Agave Lip Mask, and I absolutely love this stuff. I swear by it. I spend my $18 on it. It works. And for all my nature people, eco-friendly, it is plant-based. So if you're eating your pizza and of course, you know, you're swallowing a little bit of it, you're good. It's not going to hurt you in the long run, and you're not going to die from accidentally swallowing it. Now, I'm definitely not telling you to sit there and eat it, because no. So now that I have that on, I've already washed, cleaned my face really good, moisturized. I'm going to be using the Flower Cosmetics. This one is called the Perfecting Primer. It comes in this nice little black bottle with a gold label, and you can get it from Walmart. I paid $4 for it, and I love it. So you just need like a little dime size glob of it. You don't want to put too much on, and then you're gonna dab, dab, and rub it in. So what have y'all been up to since my last video? I know it's been ages, literally. I've gotten so busy lately with my lashing business and trying to make everything work and do everything at the same time. It's just so much. I think I need to clean my eyebrows a little bit. I always brush my eyebrows out first, just to see if I have any strayaways. I'll move my mirror. Yeah, I got this mirror from Marshall's. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, I got this from Marshall's for like 16 bucks, and it like has its own little light and stuff on it, which I thought was pretty cool. So you're supposed to clean your brushes every day, and I can't tell you the last time I put some makeup on, so I need to clean my brush like really bad. I've been using it's just Ulta, literally. It's the Ulta makeup cleanser, makeup brush and sponge cleanser, and I want to say it was on like $4 or $5 too. And I just spray a little bit on my little clean thing, I guess. I don't know what to call it. It's a brush cleaner, and you just rub it around on there, and it actually does a really good job. But what I really want, and I think I'm going to get one soon, is the Illumia makeup brush cleaner. We have one at the shop that I work at, and it's amazing. Like, absolutely love it. And I know I could use it there, but I'd rather have my own at home so I don't have to take my brushes out the house. Alright, so my brush is all clean. And let's see, the brow pomade that I've been using lately is not really expensive. I'm really trying to help y'all save some money, because you don't have to spend all your money to have good makeup. So I've been using the e.l.f. Dip Brow Pomade in the color medium brown. So as you can probably see, like, I've been like digging a hole in this. Like, I've been using it so much, but I absolutely love it, and it's perfect. Like, it lasts all day. I don't worry about it smudging or anything. It doesn't look too dark where I look like I put fake eyebrows on. It's just enough. So for my face, I'm back with my Fenty. Listen, this is by far the best foundation I have ever used, ever, like ever. And my color is 440, and they're always out of it. But I don't know, this is the only foundation that I've used, and it gives me like that fresh, like, matte look, because my skin's oily. So usually when I do makeup, if it's dewy makeup or if it has an oil base to it, it doesn't look good. And I'd rather not have people asking me, am I sweating? And I'm not sweating. So Fenty, Rihanna, you did this, girl. Like, this has been the absolute best. So the part that I've been telling y'all so much about, this white highlighter that, you know, I really, let's see, which one, what is this called? This is called Forever Lit. So we're gonna be forever lit in our Anastasia highlighter. This is the Nicole Glow Kit, and I bought this when it came out because I couldn't wait. I was like, yeah, I need that now. So pretty and so pigmented. You actually have to be kind of careful when you're putting it on, because if you put, you can put too much. And I know some people say, oh, there's no such thing as too much highlight, because I kind of feel like that sometimes. But when you're doing funky colors like the purples, the blues, the whites, you don't want to overdo it, because then you start looking kind of crazy, like spacey looking, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to use the Anastasia brush. Oh well, but if you're looking for this brush, it's right next to the highlighters in Sephora with the Anastasia stuff. It's right there. So I'm going to dab it just a little bit, and you can see it. Then I'm going to tap it, because again, you don't want too much. And then you're going to just lightly tap along your jawline or your cheekbone. And you see that? Look at that. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I'm telling y'all, I would have never used this. But one day I was like, let me try it and see what it looked like. See if I like it. And I absolutely Love it. My nose, I'm just highlighted effortlessly, just like that. So this is MAC Red, and as you can see, I've about demolished it. Like, this is one of the colors that I use often. I don't know, can y'all see it? I don't think it's focused. Let's see. I don't know, but this is one of the colors I use a lot, so I'm turning it back down some. And boom, there you have it. This is your natural face look with a little extra oomph with the white highlighter. So ladies, if you buy that highlight palette and it has that white in it and you're like, girl, I'm never going to use this, try it. You might just like it.